Hello friends, do you want a solution that immediately migrates OX Mail with attachments? If yes, download Recovery Tools OX Mail Migrator on your Windows system. By using this software, you can easily migrate multiple OX Mail emails without any problems. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now click on Next. There are two options to select OX Mail. Now, click on Select Files and Select Folder tab to choose OX Mail from the saved location. Here, we choose Select Folder to pick OX Mail emails. If you check I am converting multiple users, the software migrate OX Mail emails of multiple users at once. Now, go to the location of the OX Mail. Choose the OX Mail data folder and click on Select Folder button. Tap on the Next button. Here, you can check single and multiple users' mailboxes from OX Mail. Then, click on Next tab. The software offers numerous options to migrate OX Mail such as PST, EML, Doc, PDF, Gmail, IMAP and more. We are selecting PDF file format. Click on folder-like icon and browse a destination on your computer to save results, and click on OK. If you want to save the output files into the same source folder, check this box. You can change file naming option to a month, day, year format as per you need. Now, go to Filter option to use advanced feature of software. Here are multiple useful options to sort OX Mail emails for the migration process. Now, comes to saving option. The software is running live conversion to migrate OX Mail emails. Finally, the process of migrating OX Mail completed successfully. The free trial edition of the software allows migrating 25 emails from each OX Mail folder. Go to Buy Now tab to activate the license key of the software to migrate OX Mail without limitations. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to Destination folder and check Output file. Here, you can read the OX Mail in PDF file format. Thank you for watching the video.